to another video on the channel. I just came back from a trek today and thought of introducing you guys to the kind of a hidden gem if you're new to Bangalore or Karnataka. We have great trekking options here. Let me show you a few pictures like an less known track, Makalidurga Trek. Like these are really scenic treks and you'd really enjoy them. So yeah, just look at the visuals, how beautiful these treks are. When you reach the top, when you go with your friends, you really enjoy the journey, and yeah, the views and the trek trails are really worth it. Some of the great ones are near like the Chikmagalur district, like the Netravati or the Kudremukha Trek. Let me show you some of the pictures. So yeah, here you go. So they are really beautiful. The trails are really nice. They're managed well. So the thing is, this is really the time for going on such treks because in monsoons you have a leech problem and summers are a little difficult to trek. So winters are one of the best times. And like once you're done with a couple of treks where you go with some providers like Trip Bay, Namma Trips, things like that, then you'll be like able to trek with your own groups where you don't need those groups and you can go alone and like enjoy these trails. And one thing which comes with it is like a lot of these treks require a forest permit. So there's a dedicated website for this called the Aranya Vihaara website by the Karnataka Forest Department, where you can book forest permits for these treks. The thing is that these treks has some limited seats for each day, and like it's very good if you book them way beforehand, since like these slots for some of the popular treks, it's very difficult to get those slots like Netravati and Kudremukh. So you can book these tickets 1 day in advance, like at a minimum, and the portal opens 15 days in advance, so you can book tickets up to 15 days in future. So yeah, let's see options like today I went to Makalidurga Trek. It's in Bangalore rural district, and if you select this trek, so you can select the date. So let's just say that I'm going for Monday 26th. Let me check the availability for this trek. So yeah, there are 300 slots daily, so you can select this and click on book now. Yeah, so this shows you pricing and everything. If you are like 5 to 12 years, the price is 125 on a weekday, like 26th is Monday, which is a weekday, and on weekend the cost is 200 rupees. Between 12 to 18 years, it's 125 and 200 for weekend. And for adults that is 18 and above, it's 300 on weekdays and 450 on weekends. It suggests to go early on a weekend or on a weekday so that the trail is not as busy. And like yeah, these are some of the very good treks. On this website you can like put in all your details, your name, the ID can be like your PAN card or passport, and you can fill in all these details. The maximum visitors as capped here is 3, so you can book at max 3 permits per one booking here. So yeah, like if you're booking for 3 adults, it will be 900 on a weekday and like 1350 on a weekend. So yeah, that is how you can go about this. And like yeah, you'll find other options here as well. Like if I go to the home, let's look for the treks like yeah, in Chikmagalur there's the Skandagiri Trek. So you'll find options for this. And okay, the slots are not available for this trek. We can try to select some other date, I guess. Yeah, so if we look at 29 or something like this, yeah, so seats are available for that day, and you can go around and book these treks. So yeah, this was all about it. This is how you can book permits on your own. I'd suggest you to carry the physical government ID, or at least the e-format of it, whatever you're using to book these permits. Go there in advance, and like as soon as the trek begins, try to start early so you're saved from like trekking while the sun is heavy. And yeah, please do not litter there. Do not leave plastic objects or any objects behind. Be careful, and yeah, enjoy these treks. Do share your journey, how was experience trekking in Karnataka, and I definitely suggest you to start trekking here in weekdays. On weekends, make new friends and enjoy the beautiful trails here. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any video suggestions. Please like the video, share it with the friends you want to go on trek with, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.